car, we always keep an eye on the future of mobility, and the 2025 Volvo camper truck is the kind of vehicle that deserves all the spotlight. As we dive deeper into this anticipated electric camper truck, more features and possibilities continue to emerge. One of the most exciting aspects is how Volvo is integrating eco-conscious design with practical living. The materials used inside the camper area are expected to be mostly recycled or sustainable, including soft-touch organic fabrics, bamboo accents, and low-emission insulation. These touches not only make the space feel warm and premium but also help maintain a lower environmental impact. Comfort is central to the experience in this camper truck. Volvo is known for producing ergonomic seating and quiet interiors, and that standard is expected to extend into the camper zone. Noise insulation is reportedly enhanced in the cabin and sleeping quarters, allowing for restful sleep even when parked in busy urban environments or alongside nature with unpredictable conditions. Interior lighting will likely use adaptive LED systems that adjust based on time of day, creating a natural rhythm that's easy on the eyes during long trips. Storage solutions are also thoughtfully engineered. The 2025 Volvo camper truck is expected to include modular storage systems, with overhead compartments, under-bed drawers, and a slide-out rear storage tray accessible from the outside. This allows travelers to bring everything from hiking gear to cooking equipment without feeling cramped. The rear of the truck may also include a built-in outdoor shower and retractable awning, perfect for off-grid living and extended stays in the wild. One of the standout features is the camper's climate control system. Designed to work in all seasons, the truck includes a heat pump and electric heating elements powered by the main battery and solar assist. This system can efficiently maintain a comfortable interior temperature regardless of external conditions, making it suitable for cold alpine environments or warm desert climates. Paired with insulated windows and wall panels, the interior remains livable year-round. Driving dynamics are another area where Volvo is putting in the effort. The adjustable air suspension not only provides off-road agility but also improves highway stability by lowering the ride height at high speeds. That translates to better aerodynamics, reduced drag, and a quieter ride. This system automatically adjusts based on terrain input and load weight, making it smarter and more efficient than traditional suspensions. The digital cockpit in the front cab is expected to rival luxury EVs. A large central touchscreen with haptic feedback and a customizable digital gauge cluster keeps all the essential data at the driver's fingertips. This includes navigation, battery status, camper system monitoring, and even tire pressure and terrain conditions. Voice commands and over-the-air software updates ensure that the system stays modern and user-friendly. Volvo's reputation for safety extends into the camper space with high-voltage cutoff switches, fire-resistant materials, and automatic safety alerts. Should the camper detect issues like low battery, smoke, or interior gas leaks, it will notify the driver and trigger ventilation or shutdown procedures automatically. These are the kind of innovations that give peace of mind to long-term travelers and remote adventurers. Energy independence is a growing priority, and this camper truck pushes boundaries by offering roof-mounted solar panels capable of producing up to 800 watts of power under full sun. This energy can charge the auxiliary 12-volt system, power lighting, ventilation, and even small appliances like a fridge or induction cooktop. For longer stays, the camper can be paired with portable solar kits or small wind turbines that plug into the external power port, maximizing off-grid capability. Connectivity won't be a problem either. A built-in 5G antenna with Wi-Fi hotspot capability allows travelers to work, stream, and stay connected even in remote areas. With more people turning to digital nomad lifestyles, this kind of integrated connectivity makes the 2025 Volvo camper truck not just a vehicle but a mobile office and home in one. It's expected to include multiple USB-C ports, wireless phone charging, and smart device integration throughout the cabin and camper zone. The sleeping area includes a full-size foldable bed with memory foam mattress and ventilation fans above. Lighting can be controlled via app or wall panels, and privacy is provided by blackout blinds and sound-dampening panels. For families or small groups, a bunk bed or pop-top sleeping extension may be offered as an option. This flexibility makes it suitable for more than just solo travelers. The kitchen layout is small but efficient. Expect an induction cooktop, a compact fridge-freezer combo, foldable sink, and microwave or convection oven. Water is stored in a built-in 100-liter fresh water tank, with greywater and blackwater systems for waste management. A UV water purification system is rumored to be optional, offering safe drinking water from natural sources when refilled on the go. Charging infrastructure continues to grow, and Volvo plans to support this camper with compatibility for CCS fast chargers, public charging stations, and even bidirectional charging. This means you could use the truck to power your house or another EV in an emergency. Charging at home via level 2 wall box would likely take around 8 to 10 hours for a full battery, while high-speed DC charging could top it off much faster during travel. From an ownership perspective, maintenance will be minimal due to the electric drivetrain. Fewer moving parts mean fewer mechanical issues, and Volvo is expected to offer a comprehensive warranty covering the battery, drivetrain, and camper systems. Servicing will likely be supported at select certified centers and may include mobile technician services in remote areas, enhancing convenience for long-haul explorers. Customization is a big focus with this camper truck. Buyers will be able to choose different camper layouts, colors, interior trim packages, and tech upgrades. There may also be adventure-ready kits available, such as roof racks, off-road lighting, recovery gear mounts, and bike or kayak racks. This flexibility lets buyers tailor their truck to suit their lifestyle, whether it's for weekend getaways or full-time living. At Saint Auto Car, we see this as a major step in redefining what modern travel can be. The 2025 Volvo camper truck combines clean energy, rugged design, and home-like comfort into one bold package. It isn't just about where you're going, but how you get there and how comfortably you can live along the way. As the world shifts toward electric mobility, this camper truck might just be the symbol of a new travel revolution. Keep following Street Auto Car for more updates.